Okay, so we're going to do a little recap on fractions. So first of all, we need to think about what is a fraction. Well, a fraction, when written in number form, looks a bit like this. There's a number, there's a horizontal line, and there's another number. Now this top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. Okay, so this is what a fraction looks like. It's a part of a whole. So what do those numbers actually mean? This top number is the number of parts. We can use this line to represent out of, and the bottom number, the denominator, is the number of equal parts altogether. So this fraction would be 1 part out of 3 equal parts. Okay, so what might that look like? Well, it might look like this. For this shape, there are 3 equal parts, so our denominator is 3, and one of those parts is shaded. So this shape shows us 1 part out of 3 equal parts. It might look like this. It's a different shape, but there are still 3 equal parts altogether, which is our denominator, and one of those parts is shaded in. So it's 1 part out of 3 equal parts, or 1/3. It might look like this. So this is not one shape, but in this picture, there are 3 equal shapes, and one of them is shaded. 1 shape out of 3 equal shapes. Okay, so we've talked about this fraction, 1 part out of 3 equal parts, which is called 1/3. Pause the video and have a think about these 4 pictures. Which of these pictures represents 1/3, 1 part out of 3 equal parts? Okay, which did you think? The answer is these 2. These 2 represent 1/3 because 1 part is shaded out of 3 equal parts. On these ones, although 1 part is shaded, the 3 parts are not equal. And that is really important when we're talking about fractions, because we need to be talking about equal parts. Okay, now's time to get your equipment. So you should have 5 orange and 5 blue cubes. First of all, I'm going to build a shape using all of my cubes. Okay, there they are. So this shape is made up of 10 equal sections. So my denominator is 10. 5 parts of those 10 equal parts are blue. So 5/10 of the shape is blue. 5 of those 10 equal parts are orange. So 5/10 of the shape is orange. Okay, I'm going to show you another shape now, and I want you to think about what fraction is blue and what fraction is orange. Okay, for this shape, there are 5 cubes altogether. So the denominator is going to be 5. Doesn't matter whether we're talking about the blue shapes, the blue cubes, or the orange cubes. The denominator is still 5 because that is how many cubes there are altogether. That is our number of equal parts. How many of those 5 are blue? 1, 2. 2 out of 5 are blue. So 2/5 of the shape is blue. How many are orange? 3 out of 5 cubes are orange. So 3/5 of the shape is orange. Okay, I'm going to show you some other shapes now, and I want you to write down what fraction of the shape is blue and what fraction is orange. Shape number 1. There are 7 cubes in this shape, so our denominator is going to be 7. That's our number of equal parts. Of those 7, 5 of them are blue, so 5 out of 7 equal parts are blue. 5/7 are blue, and 2 of them are orange. 2 out of 7 are orange. 5/7 of this shape was blue, and 2/7 was orange. Okay, now I'm going to give you a list of some suggestions of shapes to build. So I might say, for example, could you make me a shape using your cubes that is 3/4 blue? So first of all, let's think about what the numbers mean. That's 3 blue cubes out of 4 cubes altogether. So 3 blue cubes, and I need 4 altogether, so I need 1 more, which must be orange. So that shape is 3/4 blue. On the screen is going to appear a shape for you to build. When it does, pause the screen and then unpause to see the answer. Well done, you've now completed your intervention. Please take your tablet back to your teacher.